everybody, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. There is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. Room category 9. Room category 10. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, the basic credit card, present photo ID and check-in. So through the link provided in the description. Details follow the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video. So friends,